system, we do have this idea of 1099 prep, okay? In this case, I did make a 2026 reporting year already, but I'm going to go ahead and rebuild it based on the information that we've just created. So that process goes through, deletes the current 1099 information and reloads it. It just goes into the system to find the truth and what's actually been paid, and then we'll populate based on that. So right, we've got our standard 1099 boxes here. Okay. I can't recall which one is retains or patronage, but these are filling in the correct ones. And then we do give you the option to come in here and to make some updates where applicable, right? So if for some reason someone's address changed, you can come in here and adjust it for just the year, but not adjust it on the member itself if you'd like. Also, if for some reason you had a box 8 piece of information, you're welcome to type that in if that helps with your CSV prep. And then once you're ready, you will just download this and use your tax preparing software to use that CSV where you'd like.